Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. Would you believe me if I told you that a simple 1 cent coin for 1989 could be worth a jaw-dropping $1,390,000 today? No, this isn't a dream. This is the real story behind one of the rarest and most valuable pennies ever discovered. Stay tuned, because today we are diving deep into the world of rare coins, hidden treasures, and the secrets that could make you a millionaire. Before we dive in, take a quick look at your change jar. That old penny sitting there might just be your golden ticket that I, in today's video, will cover. Why this 1989 penny is so rare, how to check if your coin is valuable, the shocking auction. Story behind this $1.3 million treasure, and real tips from coin experts on finding hidden gems. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. The year was 1989. The Berlin Wall fell. Nintendo released the Game Boy, and the U.S. Mint was pumping out billions of Lincoln cents. But hidden among these everyday coins, something extraordinary happened. This mistake made Abraham Lincoln's face and inscriptions like "In God We Trust" appear slightly doubled. Only a few examples were ever confirmed. Now, mint errors are nothing new. But this particular 1989 cent had a perfect storm of rarity factors. Not just a double die, but also an unusual planchet. Mix, meaning the copper and zinc ratios were off, making the coin slightly heavier and different in color. What makes this coin worth $1.3 million. Let's break it down. 1989 was a year of global change. Coins from major years are always more collectible. Imagine finding a single penny in your house that's worth more than a Lamborghini, a mansion, and a world tour combined. In 2023, a rare 1989 penny surfaced at a private coin auction. Experts were stunned. Bidding started at $50,000, and within minutes, it skyrocketed. This sale set a world record for modern Lincoln cents and sent shockwaves through the coin collecting world. Now you're wondering, do you have one of these magical coins? Here's how to check. Even if you don't find a $1 million penny, regular error pennies can fetch $50, $500, or even $5,000. I spoke to professional numismatists, and here are their top tips. Always check older pennies, especially 1982, 1983, and 1989, that look for pennies with unusual colors, silvery, rainbow toned. Invest in a small digital scale and coin loop. The next time you get a penny, don't toss it away. It could be the key to your fortune. That if you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, share this video with a friend who loves coins, and subscribe for more amazing treasure hunting stories. Comment below .coin treasure if you're checking your change tonight.